Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. The smallest motorhome with the biggest bathroom is making waves in the RV world. And for good reason. It's changing the way people think about compact travel by packing surprising comfort into a tiny frame. While many small motorhomes compromise on amenities to save space, this one dares to defy the norm. Designed for travelers who value both convenience and comfort, it brings a game-changing layout that includes a spacious rear bathroom as something almost unheard of in this class. Despite its compact footprint, this motorhome doesn't cut corners where it matters most. At first glance, it appears like any other streamlined Class B or small Class C motorhome, but step inside, and you're greeted by a layout that feels roomy, thanks to smart interior design and creative space utilization. The kitchen, living space, and sleeping area are all well integrated. But the true standout feature lies in the rear, a full-width bathroom with a separate shower, toilet, and sink. The rear bath design means you get a residential-style bathroom that feels nothing like the cramped wet baths found in typical compact RVs. Tall users can stand comfortably in the shower, and the space is large enough to move around without bumping elbows. There's even ample storage for towels and toiletries, making long-term travel more practical and comfortable. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. Another impressive feature is the motorhome's bumper and side profile. Built with a low-profile aerodynamic body, it not only looks sleek but also performs well on the road. The sturdy rear bumper provides added protection and integrates with backup sensors and cameras for safety, making parking and reversing easy even for novice RV drivers. The side walls are constructed with high-quality composite materials that enhance insulation, reduce noise, and improve overall durability. The wide side entry door and electric step add to the accessibility and user-friendly experience. Back at the rear of the vehicle, where the spacious bathroom sits, smart engineering ensures that plumbing and storage are efficiently laid out beneath the surface. There's even space for an outdoor shower hookup and additional storage compartments cleverly hidden in the rear bumper area. These features make it not just comfortable, but also highly functional for extended road trips or even full-time living. As for the price, this motorhome is positioned in the mid to premium range. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, it's a worthy investment for those who prioritize comfort without upgrading to a massive rig. With pricing typically starting around the $80,000 to $110,000 mark, depending on upgrades, it offers significant value considering its standout bathroom, high-quality build, and full suite of amenities. The official launch has created a buzz among RV enthusiasts, with high demand pushing pre-orders quickly. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a couple ready to hit the road full-time, this smallest motorhome with the big bathroom offers the perfect blend of freedom and comfort. It's proof that you don't need a 40-foot coach to feel at home, just the right design and a bold reimagining of space.